'Cause he gets up in the morning and he goes to work at 9, and he comes back home at 5:30, gets the same train every time. 'Cause his work is the punctuality, it never fails. And he's all so good, and he's all so fine, and he's all so healthy in his body and his mind. He's a well-respected man about town, doing the best thing so conservative. And his mother goes to meetings while his father pulls the maid, and she stirs the tea with counsellors by discussing foreign trade. And she passes looks as well as bills at every suave young man. 'Cause he's all so good, and he's all so fine, and he's all so healthy in his body and his mind. He's a well-respected man about town, doing the best thing so conservatively. And he likes his own backyard, and he likes his bags the best, 'cause he's feathered than the rest, and his own sweat smells the best. And he hopes to grab his father's loot when Peter passes on, 'cause he's all so good, and he's all so fine, and he's all so healthy in his body and his mind. He's a well-respected man about town, doing the best thing so conservatively. He plays his thoughts and shots, and he goes to the regatta. He adores the girl next door, 'cause he's trying to get at her, but his mother knows the best about the matrimonial state. 'Cause he's all so good, and he's all so fine, and he's all so healthy in his body and his mind. He's a well-respected man about town, doing the best thing so conservatively. Thanks very much. You can clap your hands a little bit. They seek him here, they seek him there. His clothes are loud, but never square. It will make or break him, so he's got to buy the best, 'cause he's out. And when he does his little round the boutiques of London town, eagerly pursuing all the latest fads and trends, 'cause he's a dedicated follower. Yes, he is. Oh, yes, he is. Oh, yes, he is. He thinks he is a flower to be looked at, and when he pulls his frilly nylon pants right up tight, he feels that. They seek him here, they seek him there, in Regent Street and Leicester Square, by God. Everywhere the Carnation army marches on, each one a dedicated follower of fashion. Oh yes he is, oh yes he is. His world is built round discotheques and parties. In matters of the cloth he is as fickle as can be, 'cause he's a dedicated follower of fashion. He's a dedicated follower of fashion. He's a dedicated follower of fashion. In a club down in Old Soho, where you drink champagne and it tastes just like cherry cola, C-O-L-A cola. She walked up to me and she asked me to dance. I asked her her name, and in a dark brown voice she said Lola, L-O-L-A Lola. stretching in it from my spine.